So this video is all back Ghana feed-in fishbone hairstyle. So I don't know what you guys call it in your country. You can leave a comment in the comment section below so that we get to know what you guys call it in your country. First, I'm starting the cornrow or the feed-in cornrow with her hair, her natural hair, like so. And then once I braid like about twice, or once I cornrow like twice, like left and right, I'm just going to start adding extension to the hair. And while adding the extension, I'm going to be adding like about 3 to 4 times of the extension before leaving out or doing the leave out. And to start the fishbone method, I'm just going to go ahead to attach one side of the extension. So we'll just add up one side of the extension, which is the left. Since I'm on the left hand side, I'm going to add up the left hand or the left extension and then leave or release the right extension. That's the right hand extension. Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? For this particular video, I would advise you to watch it from the beginning to the end to get all the details of the video, and so that you don't get to miss any single part. Click on the subscribe button to join the family. Give the video a big thumbs up and also share this video to friends and family. Okay, for this hairstyle, you need to really know how to, or have an idea on how to feed in cornrow or do like Ghana weaving before you can jump into this particular hairstyle. So I do have a detailed tutorial on how to feed in cornrow, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. We'll continue cornrolling like so, adding one side of the extension and releasing the other side of the extension until I get to the back side. So for the tip, I'm just going to go ahead to just tie a knot just to secure it and then release the other part of the extension just so that she can easily comb the hair. So the reason why I'm cornrolling her hair, I'm starting the cornrow with her natural hair, is just so that the extension do not get to, you know, break her hair. So like I said before, we'll cornrow a little bit with the natural hair before adding the extension. And while adding the extension, I'm going to be adding like about 3 to 4 times of the extension before leaving out or doing the leave out or the fishbone. And to start the fishbone method, I'm just going to go ahead to attach one side of the extension. For this hairstyle, I'm using darling hair extension, but I cannot really remember the color of the hair right now, but I'm going to leave it in the description box below just in case you are interested in checking it out. And for the extension, we went ahead to cut it into 4, which is called cut 4 here in Nigeria. And after that, we decided to fade out the tip of the extension. You can go ahead to use any color of your choice. Our client here decided to get, or she said she wanted a bright color, and we suggested this wine color. All right, how you do the left hand side will definitely different from how you do the left hand side, or how you do the left hand side will be different from how you do the right hand side. So I advise you to watch till the end so that you get to see how I do the right hand side.
Me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can.
For a better clarification, when cornrolling, you add up a piece, you get to see like the piece or the extension that falls on the right hand side and the extension that falls on the left hand side. Since we are on the left hand side, I'm only going to attach or cornrow or join the left hand piece to the cornrow I'm cornrolling, and then I'm going to release the extension that falls on the right hand side. I'm just going to release it like so. So we advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end, because this hairstyle is kind of tricky and it's a little bit tricky. So yeah, just watch the video so that you get to see all the whole process, the method, every single thing, because the video is detailed.
In my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give
now that I'm cornrolling the right hand side, I'm only going to be adding up the extension that falls on the right hand side. I'm going to be adding it to the cornrow that I'm cornrolling, and then releasing the extension that falls on the left hand side. Hope you guys get it. So we repeat the same steps like about 3 to 4 more times so that you guys will understand the whole process.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, baby, on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So yeah, this is what it looks like after cornrolling. The next thing I'm going to be doing is just to use my hand dryer or use hand dryer to on a low heat to straighten the hair a little bit, and after that we'll go ahead to trim the hair using a scissors to do that, and still go ahead or further use a straightener or a hand dryer to straighten the hair and also to unfreeze and detangle the hair, straighten it a little bit to look like the typical bone straight that you know. Here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Hope you're able to learn something from this video. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't to join the family. Leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one